Hello friends, Aawaj, Namaste. I hope you are fine. Friends, today this video is going to be very special to you. Why? Because today I will tell you how you can increase the volume of your Android phone while playing videos, audios, etc. So let's start. To do so, first you have to go to your Play Store. Yes, I have already opened the Play Store, and you have to search there volume booster. When you search this, you will see third option, which is written as volume booster goodev. You will see volume booster goodev. Guys, remember, you just have to click in volume booster goodev. You can see other options also there, like volume booster, music booster. You can see many options, but guys, you have to focus on only volume booster goodev. So I click here, and guys, when you click here, you will see the options of install. And guys, I want to make you sure that this app is very good application, as the rating is 4.4 out of 5, and it is small in size, only 2.3 MB. And guys, you can see that the number of download for this application is 10 million plus. So also here you can see the user interface of this application, and I want to make you sure that how the users commented on this application. So let's read about Carl Brown. Carl Brown has written that, oh wow, it works perfectly, 100%, 10 stars if I could, a couple of others with a higher rating than this app, and they didn't work at all. Yes, he has written many things. Yes, this is very useful app to you if your Android phone produces less volume. So you can, at that case, you can use this application. So install it. Just click in the install button. When you click in the install button, you will friends, I'm so sorry, my storage is a little bit low, so I should delete some application. So friends, you can see that my application is being installed, so we have to wait for a second. Friends, again I want to make you sure that you just have to install volume booster goodev, not other, because it is the most trusted application in the Google Play Store in terms of increasing the volume. So let's start. Guys, when you install this application, you are given the option of open after this application is installed. You have to be very careful because it is quite dangerous to your mobile also, because I will say that when the user interface of this application is shown. So let's open it. Friends, when you open this application, you are given a warning. Guys, I kindly request you to read this warning. I want to read this to you. Listen carefully. Playing audio at high volume can damage hearing or destroy speakers or otherwise damage your device. If you find the audio scratchy or distorted, you are likely using too high a volume. Do you agree that use of this application is solely at your own risks? Of course, but we have to be sure that when we are using this application, we are fixing the volume at the minimum percentage, like that. Clicking OK. Guys, I want to request you to keep the volume only in up to 60%. Guys, keep only up to 60%. Guys, keeping volume in 60% will make your sound quality very perfect with no disturbance. If you take this volume up to more than 60%, then you might feel some noise disturbance in this application. So guys, fix the volume till 60%. And guys, please download this application. You will experience the loudness volume in your Android device while playing the musics or audios and videos too. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and don't forget to share. Thank you. Bye.